Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel The Global Scholarship. So today we have a scholarship named Jawaharlal Nehru Memorial Fund. Scholarship rewards is 18,000 rupees and it is open for PhD students. And link for the application form is given below in the description box. To know the entire application process, please keep on watching the video. If you enjoy content like this, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel The Global Scholarship. So you can also join us on our Instagram and Telegram at The Global Scholarship. Now let's get started with the video. Type theglobalscholarship.org in the Google page and click on the first link that appears on your screen. This will redirect you to our official website which has three broad categories, that is scholarship, abroad scholarship and competition and award. Now click on scholarship section. Here there are multiple scholarship to which you can apply according to your eligibility. Today let's move to scholarship for Jawaharlal Nehru Memorial Fund. Once you click on the view button, you can see the interface which has a scholarship details like name of the scholarship, provider of the scholarship and scholarship rewards is 18,000 rupees. Important dates like start date, end date and education, it is open for PhD students. Click down here, scholarship description is about a scholarship. Read it carefully. Click down here, eligibility criteria like to whom the scholarship is applicable for and who can apply for this scholarship. Click down here, attachments, documents you need to attach for a scholarship while applying, keep in handy. And click down here, how to apply. This is a procedure to apply for the scholarship. Then click down here, click on a button called click here to apply. Now let's go to the application process. Here they have given categories of scholarships and areas of specialization or subject and eligibility conditions. In eligibility condition they have given not be above 35 years of age. Read all eligibility conditions and duration of scholarship, then value of scholarship for both the categories and last date for the scholarship, enclosures. Now we'll move to the application form. Here they are given two categories. Category of applicant, category 1 Indian national for PhD study in India, category 2 national of other Asian country for PhD study in India. Click which category you are and down name of the country or nationality, area of specialization and down personal details like name, father name, date of birth, address and permanent address and down telephone number with the area code and email ID, mobile number and down name and address of the university, institution where registered for PhD and click down here supervisor's name, then designation, telephone number with the area code of a supervisor's, email ID of a supervisor and mobile number of supervisor and click down here date of registration for PhD, likely date of completion and full title of PhD thesis. Here they are given, please attach a synopsis of not more than 1500 words. What you should mention is what exactly will your research add to existing. Here they have given, please attach a synopsis means what exactly will your research add to existing knowledge, specifying the methods and techniques you will use and what has already been done and what remains to be done. Please write few words and attach and then please attach a letter from your supervisor or a guide containing an academic assessment of your doctoral research project and then are you holding any post now? If yes, click on yes, else no. Down, are you holding any post now? If yes, fill up this date of your appointment, your designation and full address of the employer, else no, click on no. Then down, if you are getting scholarship assistance from any source at present, please indicate name of the source with full address, scholarship amount per month, contingency amount per year, any other financial assistance being received with details thereof then scholarship, financial assistance to continue up to month, year. Languages you know for reading, writing and speaking. Write it clearly. Here is the academic record starting from high school, higher secondary, senior secondary. Examination passed, name of board university, year of passing, division grade, percentage of marks, subjects taken, and down enclosures if a passport size photograph to be pasted on the form. If pasted, click on yes, else no, and a synopsis of not more than 1500 words or about 3 pages of 1.5 space text, yes or no, click it. And university doctoral monitoring committee's report or supervisor or guides report, click yes or no. Then postal order or demand draft of for rupees 100, click yes or no. Then place of yours and date and signature of the applicant. This will be the successful submission of your application form for the scholarship. For more update like this, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel at the Global Scholarship. Thank you.